We will be starting biology with this video. The first topic for this series is cell. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. The structural and functional unit of life is cell. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the main sites of energy production within the cell. Which organelle is called the suicide bag of the cell? Lysosome. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having all of the above. The jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus is cytoplasm. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Ribosome. The site of photosynthesis in plant cells is chloroplast. DNA is mainly found in nucleus. Which of the following is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Nucleus. The function of the cell wall is providing shape and protection. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and transport of proteins? Golgi apparatus. Which cell organelle contains digestive enzymes? Lysosome. The double membrane-bound organelle is mitochondria. Which of the following is a semipermeable structure? Cell membrane. The functional segments of DNA are called genes. The process of cell division in somatic cells is called mitosis. The green pigment in chloroplasts is chlorophyll. The largest cell in the human body is ovum. The smallest cell in the human body is sperm. The fluid inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Which of the following is not a function of the vacuole? Photosynthesis. The process by which cells take in liquid from the surrounding environment is pinocytosis. Which cell organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Mitochondria. The outermost layer of animal cells is Cell membrane. The main function of ribosomes is protein synthesis. Which of the following is present in plant cells but absent in animal cells? Cell wall. The organelle responsible for detoxification of harmful substances is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is not a part of the endomembrane system? Mitochondria. The basic difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells is presence of cell wall. The process by which water moves across a semi-permeable membrane is diffusion. Which organelle is involved in the synthesis of lipids? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of centrioles is cell division. Which of the following is a non-membranous organelle? Ribosome. The hereditary material in most living organisms is DNA. The process by which a cell engulfs a solid particle is phagocytosis. The main function of the cell membrane is selective transport. Which of the following is not a function of the Golgi apparatus? Lipid synthesis. The process of programmed cell death is called apoptosis. The cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwanner. Which of the following is not a function of the cytoskeleton? Protein synthesis. The smallest living cell is mycoplasma. The largest cell organelle in a plant cell is vacuole. The main function of chromosomes is carry genetic information. Which organelle is known as the cellular post office? Golgi apparatus. The process by which cells maintain internal stability is called homeostasis. The main function of the nucleolus is DNA replication. Which of the following is a unicellular organism? Amoeba. The process of formation of new cells is called cell division. The organelle that stores water and nutrients in plant cells is Vacuole. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, motivate us liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel Information Gurukul.